Hello dear friends, welcome back. So today in this video we're going to solve this question. Find the condition when the roots of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are reciprocal, and second condition is roots are reciprocal and have opposite signs. Here the given equation is a quadratic equation, so obviously it has two roots, and we have to find the condition when the two roots of the given equation are reciprocal. This is the first condition, and the second condition is roots are reciprocal but have opposite signs. Now let us begin the solution. Here the given equation is a quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is the coefficient of x squared and b is the coefficient of x and c is a constant. And we have to find the relation between the coefficients of the given equation when the roots are reciprocal and when the roots are reciprocal but have opposite signs. Roots are reciprocal but have opposite signs. Here this is the given quadratic equation, and we know the structure of quadratic equation. When we know two roots of a quadratic equation, then we can write the quadratic equation in the form of x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So this is the structure of the formation of a quadratic equation when two roots are given. Now we can convert the given quadratic equation in this form, because in this equation the coefficient of x squared is a. Now we have to convert the coefficient of x squared into 1 by dividing both sides of the given equation with a. In this way, we are dividing both sides with a. And in the left hand side, now we get ax squared upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a, and this is equal to 0. We can cancel a with a, so the left hand side becomes x squared plus bx upon a plus c upon a. Now I have expressed this given quadratic equation in its standard form. Now we can compare these two equations, and from the given equation these are equal, plus b upon a is equal to minus sum of the roots, and c upon a is equal to the product of the roots. Now in the first condition, when the roots are reciprocal, that is, then c upon a, which is equal to the product of the root, must be equal to 1, because when the roots are reciprocal their product is 1. So in this case the product of the root, which is given by c upon a, is equal to 1. So when roots are reciprocal, then the product is 1. So here the product of the roots is given by c upon a, and this is equal to 1. So we can cross multiply. This gives c is equal to a1s are a. So this is the condition when the roots of the given quadratic equation are reciprocal. And for the second condition, when the roots are reciprocal but have opposite signs. When roots are reciprocal but have opposite signs. So when the roots are reciprocal but have opposite signs, then their product must be equal to minus 1. Their product must be equal to minus 1. So when the roots are reciprocal, then their product is 1, but when they have opposite signs, their product is minus 1. So here C open A must be equal to minus 1, and this gives C is equal to minus A, which gives A plus C is equal to 0. So this is the condition when the roots are reciprocal but have opposite signs, and this is the condition when the roots are reciprocal only. So these are two different conditions for two different cases. So guys, this much for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, and also to drop your comment.